Here we are in the engine of my Hyundai Coupe, and this is the heat shield for the exhaust manifold. The previous owner has painted it blue, and this has really annoyed my brother. So he bought me another one for Christmas, so I'm going to put that on now. Christmas, birthday even. Basically it is absolutely fine, and my first thought obviously was to paint it blue again just to annoy him, but instead I realised that the metal it's made of actually polishes quite nicely. I haven't gone full on, and I'll post a picture in a bit to show you what it came like. But basically I've just kind of polished it up in some alloy. It doesn't really suit the look of the car. If I got more energy I could have like properly polished it, but I got bored, to be honest, because it takes a long time. So there we go. Just put some anti-seize on those bolts, and then I will swap it over and see how it looks. For anyone who's interested, cover is off, and that's what the exhaust manifold looks like. And I have to say, it's a pretty chunky thing. Obviously they're going to be cast on these things. And the cracks there are engineered cuts, they're not cracks, just to be clear on that. I can see from here. So yep, there you go, that's off. Slightly different design on the heat thing, but other than that they look pretty similar. This one, the new one, is slightly smaller, so let's hope it fits. And there we go. I mean, could have been slightly better if I'd actually finished polishing it properly. Yeah, but I quite like that. It's got the natural kind of raw used metal look. Yeah, it's better than the matte finish, I suppose. So that's it. 4 bolts, pretty obvious. Just take them off, replace it, put the other one on. Nothing to say really. And I suppose it makes the car look a tiny bit less amateur painted blue.